YouTube, it's your girl Destinee, and I'm coming with a hair video. In my hand I have Tinashe hair. I have 4 bundles, 220s, 222s, and 18-inch closure. After the discount, my total came out to $209.92, and that's for 4 bundles and a closure, so that's good. Tinashe Hair Company is a AliExpress based company, but they have their own website now. And I received, well, it was delivered to me August 21st, so that's 5 days, so that's good. Let's open it and see what we have. Y'all excited? I'm so excited. I love hair. And this hair that I have in my head, if you guys want to know where I got that from, just leave comments down at the bottom. And this is actually, I made this into a wig thing. And this is the closure. It looks luscious. Ooh. You guys are not picking it up on camera, but it's like a brown tint to it. The density is good, not too thick, so I probably won't have to pluck it that much. If it smells, it smells like hair, you know, no corn chip smell, just how hair smells. It's real soft. Let's see if I get any shedding. I got 1 strand from all that, and that's good. And this is the 20-inch. Let's see. Got a rubber band on it. Oh, it's soft. Oh, it's so soft. It smells the same like hair. No corn chip smell. Let's see if we get it any shit. I got 1 small little. It's so pretty. Yes. Oh, and I don't think I told you guys, this is the Brazilian loose deep wave. Whatever that means, loose deep wave. But yeah, it's pretty. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is gonna be so pretty. And I was scared because I have so many wigs that I've made, and I was thinking I was getting like the same kind of hair, but it's totally different from mine. It's totally different. Look at that. Yes. Hold on, let me get something to measure these to see if they're actually 20 inches. Hey y'all, I'm back. Got my measuring tool. Let's see. Right at 20. So it is true to length. This is the other 20. Let's see. We're just gonna test it out, each bundle, and see the shedding that we received from it. By no means am I being soft with this hair. I'm like tugging it to see what's really good. What's really popping. Let's see. Okay. I have 4 strands from that. 4. Let's try one of the 22s and see. 2 strands from that. Measure the 22. So the 22 is measuring at 21. Yeah. So the 22 is short an inch. What's going on, Tinashe? What's going on? I need that 1 inch, baby. I need to say if you're 22 inches and away. But yeah, missing 1 inch. Let's see if the next bundle is the same way. Of course, I bought this hair with my own money. My mom just asked me, did you buy some more hair? She think I'm addicted to hair. I think I am. I'm addicted to like different hairstyles. Like, it's crazy. Oh, this one's super soft. Oh my God. And I love the natural brown in it. Like, you guys can't see it on the camera, can you? But it's so pretty. Look at that. That bounce. It bounces everything. Everything. I didn't receive any strands with this bundle, but let's measure it and see if it's 22 inches. Let's see. Come on, Tinashe. I need 2 tools, baby. Okay, that one's showing 22. I don't know. The hair is very soft. I did receive some shedding. Look at that, y'all. Y'all ready for this wig? So guys, that concludes the video. If you guys want to see how this hair looks when I make it into a wig, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I will, on my next video, I will be testing this hair out with color and a flat iron. Thank you for watching.